I first met Alan at World actually about 7 or 8 years ago now. And I was immediately struck by his practical approach.
Alan is just one of the most dedicated, tenacious advocates I have ever met. He is a carpenter by trade and has really become an honorary MD PhD as he has learned this field inside and out and not only partners with us, but in many times has led us.
He is very good at coming up with a plan to approach a problem and to find all the tools and pieces necessary to build a solution. And that's the approach he took to MSD.
Again, he's this unusual parent with a sick kid who is very engaged at all levels, fundraising, what's happening with treatment developments, participating in grant writing, and listening to our talks and ideas about how to treat this disease.
One of his special talents is bringing together people across disciplines and introducing people and making connections.
You know, all of his free time when he's not working is working on helping move this along.
I think one of Alan's biggest accomplishments has been reaching out to the community around the world and partnering with organizations, for example, with Amber Olson here in the United States, to really try to meet the needs of MSD patients everywhere and to come up with a unified, logical, scientific strategy to move the field forward.
I think Alan's contributions have been to keep people aware of this disease and to help get selected by NIH for a gene therapy trial going forward.
Something that comes into my mind when I think about Alan, what he did for MSD. It's like he put MSD. He brought it on the big stages. And it's typically that he said, okay, this is MSD. It's not like the ultra rare, neglected, forgotten disease any longer.
He wanted to know from early on what tools were needed, whether it be animal models or cell models, who needed to be part of the team in order to approach this goal or tackle this challenge. And he really assembled this group internationally, including many people I'm sure sitting at the audience at World, to help him work towards his goal of developing a therapy for MSD, not only for his child, but really for the community as a whole.
It has really been an honor to be part of this process and be one of the people he has pulled into the fold.
You embarked on a journey and started a project. It's still not finished and still needs fixing, and we're happy to be part of this for the next couple of years to come until it's really done.
Alan, I'm really ecstatic that you got this award. You're the best of people I can think of. We love you, and what you do is very important, scientifically and socially, and we will never forget you.